Everyone! Visit na naman kami sa garden. Go, 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 go! Ayan o, yung garden. Ayan guys. Go, it's okay, you can go, go, go here. Ayan po, marami silang tanim na pechay. Di ko alam ito. Di ba kinakain siya yung dahon? Di ko alam pangalan ng vegetable na to. But this is masarap. Ayan po, yung talong. Bagong ano niya lang yung talong. Yung okra. Go! Yes, inside! You turn around. Okra. Ayan, itatanim niya pa lang. Daming pechay. And then, ayan, onion. The onion here. Abi! And the falls. You can hear the water. Let's go. It's okay here. This way, this way. No, no. You turn around. Hi. This one, Ma, we eat this one, right? The vegetable. We eat the small, small one. Yes, yes, yes. The leaves one. Ah. Yes, yes. Just only the leaves. Oh. Ah, no leaves. Ah, okay. Ayan guys, nag-harvest kami ng sili. Ayan guys, ang dami nilang ano sa taas. Oh, marami siyang. Ayan oh, mga lettuce. Ayan guys. Ang daming lettuce. Sili. Ang dami niyang mga tanim dito na lettuce. Ayan guys. Bagong tanim niya yung iba. Tapos ito, pina-harvest na niya oh. Kasi madami na siya. Kapag hindi siya kasi ma-harvest, ayan, meron ding spring onion. Tapos guys, yung saging namin. Yung saging namin. Ayan, yung saging. Malapit na. And the papaya, manok na lang ang kulang para sa tinola. Hey! Stop it! Wow, it's beautiful. Guys, naalala ko yung ilog tapos maglalaba dito, no? Mas may dalang pagkain. Diba? Pag nasa ilog, ganyan. Isang anlawan na lang. Wala na mga isda. No more fish. Eh. Oh, the dog is there. Ayan guys, yung garden niya, oh. And this is the owner. Naga-harvest po siya. Harvest namin. Sili. This one, Abi, is spicy. It's a spicy.